Hi, this is Jeet, and this video is going to give you next topic of follow-up questions related to the topic. Describe a thing you bought and you are happy about. Now, first follow-up question is, did you tell anyone after buying it? Yes, I told all my near and dear ones because I was so excited to share my happiness with everyone after buying it. Friends, near and dear ones. It means the people, friends who are very near to your heart and dear to you. Okay, the people who are very close in relationship, who are very close to you. Now, second question is, what are the thoughts about the trend that people buy new things instead of repairing the old ones? This growing tendency has surely some adverse effects on people as well as environment. Throwing away the old things creates different types of pollution. Moreover, this trend makes people spend trips to a great extent. So, as possible, instead of filling the dustbins with used things and purchasing new ones, we should get the repairable things repaired and use them. Friends, adverse, it means bad, harmful, negative effects. Okay. What is the product which is consumed most in your country and why? Honestly speaking, it's quite difficult to name a particular product which is the most consumed product in my country. The reason is that there are countless things which are used the most by Indians. But I think mobile phones are ubiquitous. It means are present everywhere in my country and the most commonly used product. Now, next question is increasing consumerism a good trend? According to my perspective, it's both a positive and a negative trend. It's good in the terms of economy of the country as increase in consumerism helps to strengthen the economy of the country. But on the other hand, it has detrimental, it means bad, okay, bad effects on our environment. Friends, detrimental, it means harmful effects, okay, bad, harmful effects on our environment.